Within refined private estates, precision meets quiet efficiency. Meet BOLEO ZEWEIT-X 1.2 tons compact excavator, crafted for premium landscape projects. Compact enough for narrow garden access, precise for delicate landscaping work. Smooth operation protects your lawn, plants, and surrounding scenery. Compatible with multiple attachments for trenching, earth moving, and site shaping. Cut manual labor and bring new possibilities to your property renovation. Designed for straightforward maintenance and easy wear part replacement, global service support, and a 5-year warranty safeguard your long-term investment. BOLEO 1.2 tons compact excavator.